Hi, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Just want to do a little review of this Evolution saw. I had it a little while now, as you know, from the unboxing video, and I've mainly been cutting metal with it. So this is just got 2x1 box in here at the moment, 3mm wool. I'll cut a bit of that in a minute, but first I'm going to get Louis to cut bit of wood in it, so because obviously this blade's been used for a lot of metal, so we haven't cut wood in it lately, but so just see how the blade performs. You know, I'm not going to go into detail, I'm just going to show it cutting. I've got one problem with it when I cut metal, and I'll show you that when I come to that. Right, I'm going to get Louis to cut some wood. He's cut a few bits, but not that much. He hasn't cut any of the metal yet, but because I've been using it for cutting metal, we're going to have a look to see how good it cuts the wood after cutting all the metal I've been using it on. Give it a go then, Lee. Pass that over here, that's all that. Hopefully you can see. There you go. I think it's very similar to what I did on the unboxing video. I don't think there's any difference. And like I say, I've been cutting. Hopefully you can see it okay because of the light and hear me over top of the birds. Yeah, I think that's just as good. I want to cut a bit of metal in a minute, but the problem with cutting metal is quite simple. It sprays lumps of metal everywhere, and notice that actually when I looked at the reviews they weren't really discussed. I can't know if I can find any bits now. No, not the big bits, but it sprays it everywhere. I mean, you really do need to be wrapped up. You definitely don't want pets or anything like that, dogs or anything in your workshop. When you're cutting metal, it goes everywhere. I mean, I've done it, and my brother was outside and he got covered in metal. So you need a decent jacket on, and I wear a visor and goggles. Because you wouldn't believe how many bits of metal you get in there. But apart from that, that's the only problem I've found. So I'm going to cut a bit of box, and I'll get it all set up and I'll be back. Right, I'll put the camera a little bit far away just because of the amount of metal that sprays out. And this is 3mm wool, 3mm wool, 2x1 box. Stuff I'll be able to see then. But the metal goes everywhere. I mean, I don't wear gloves with saws, I never have. I just don't like the idea of being caught up. Some people do. It's all down to your own safety, but I mean, I don't have the earplugs on because I'm filming, but I would normally. That's the end of it. There's a little burr there. I mean, literally, there you go, and that's 3mm wool, 2x1 box, and this is for a project I'm doing called Fast Height. If you're interested, check it out. But yeah, I mean, it's metal, cuts metal. It's the only fault I have with it is the metal flying everywhere. Apart from that, don't really have a problem with it. Like I say, it does everything I want it to do. I was very scared of it to start with. I'm more confident on the metal now than what I was. But I kept thinking, well, because of the speed of the blade, it just still don't feel right to me putting a metal blade into metal, you know. It's all new to me, that is. But I'm really now got some more confidence in using the saw. I would recommend it. I would actually recommend probably the bigger one if you've got the cash, but you don't need it, that's fine. It's the only thing I've wanted it to do. Yeah, the visor I had to get from Screwfix, because trying it without just normal goggles, I end up with lumps of metal in my face, but nobody tells you these things when you buy. All the reviews are sort of bullshitting them up a bit. But cutting wire, you can see how good it cut the wood. So, there's the wood. And there's the wood, and there's the metal. So I hope that helps you out if you're interested in buying that sort of thing. Like I say, if you've got somewhere with, I've seen people use these in like conservatories and stuff. With a lot of metal like that, I don't know if it would, because I don't know if it would embed in the glass like it does with a grinder. I don't think it probably will, because it's not hot. The metal comes with it isn't hot. It's just sharp, you know, and it comes with, because the speed of the blade's a lot more than the old type cutters. It just really just chucks it. But there you go. Hope that helps you make your mind up if you're interested in this sort of thing, or just whatever, you know. Check out my other stuff on my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this sort of video, and subscribe to all the usual sort of crap, you know. And I'll see you next time. Take it easy.